Sa Ontario, hindi lamang basta pag-awit ng Filipino folk songs. Isa ring pag-aaral sa kultura at tradisyon ng mga Pilipino sa musika at sining ang isinagawang Echoes of Home event. Panoorin ang pagtatanghal sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Nagbunga sa isang tanghali na puno ng mga pagtatanghal ang isinagawang Echoes of Home, a kulintangan community choir project na pinangunahan ni music educator Andre Lawrence Feria.
Echoes of Home is basically a passion project between my two love for music, which is music education and ethnomusicology. So when I was thinking of Echoes of Home, I was thinking about what I can do for the community here in Toronto to explore themes of belonging, of home.
Bago ang binuong pagtatanghal, dumaan sa maikling workshop ang mga lumahok. Hinati ito sa iba't ibang grupo. Ang bawat isa may pag-aaralang Filipino folk song na hindi lamang sa wikang Tagalog. Ang ilan may kasama ring kulintang traditions.
I think what's amazing is that pag nakita natin yung mga performers ranging from 8 years old up until 70 plus, we think about how music really is intergenerational. The Philippines is made up of more than 180 ethno-linguistic groups. And for the longest time nga, when we think about Filipino folk songs, Bahay Kubo, Magtanim Ay Di Biro, Tagalog-centric tayo. So when I requested the facilitators to think about what they can share, ang sabi ko, dun tayo sa bago na probably hindi pa na-encounter ng mga kababayan natin.
Even though it was like a long day, but it's one of those days where you just feel so energized and ready to maybe to explore more about kulintang music, about choral music. So it just really felt really energizing. It's just nice to see so many generations gather and put something together at the end.
Ang proyekto naging posible sa tulong din ng 880 Cities, Ontario Community Changemakers Program at iba pang partnered Filipino organizations. Kasama rin ang ilang miyembro ng University of the Philippines College of Music at Junior Music Educators Guild. Isinagawa ito sa OCAD University gamit ang Asiatic Itineraries Media Research Center.
The goal is to really just spread Filipino culture or inform other people that the Filipino culture is alive and thriving and we are here.
Hangad ni Feria hindi matapos ang kwento ng Echoes of Home sa isinagawang 2 araw na workshop. Sa halip maghikayat pa sa patuloy na paggamit ng musika at sining sa pagtaguyod sa kultura at tradisyon ng pagiging Pilipino sa Canada. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.